You know what? When I could not speak English, there was a major problem with me. So, what used to happen was whenever someone used to speak in front of me in English, and whenever my teacher or friend used to talk in English, I used to understand everything. But when it used to come to speak, I used to go blank. And this gap was so frustrating that my confidence used to go from this to this. And I can understand it would have happened with you once in your life if you would be a beginner or if you are a beginner right now. So today in this video, I'm going to address the same problem solution which I did, and I think it can help you also. Before starting the video, let me introduce myself. My name is Kashish Malik and this is day 16th of my 30 days English speaking challenge. I am doing this challenge to become fluent in English and be a natural English speaker. I don't want to change my accent. Actually, I want to improve it, but I want to be real, not American, not Britisher, but I want to improve myself. That's it. And thank you so much a lot, guys, because yesterday we were only 62 or something. Like it was less than 65, but today we are 80 people, and you people are really welcome. And not only subscribers, it's not only about subscribers, but I'm very happy that people are relating with me. The same problem I used to face, people are facing, and I'm able to help them a single percent. I know I'm not able to speak very good English. I'm making many mistakes. But if I see myself back before 3 or 4 months, I was very bad in English speaking. You could say that you can't speak English. But right now I'm happy. I know I'm making mistakes. You can write down those in comments. I will improve them positively. Now let's just start it. So, the solution starts from the problem only. First of all, you need to treat this problem as your solution. Do not treat it as your problem. Okay, tell me one thing. If I ask you that do you know French? Do you know Japanese? You would say yes. We have listened the name of this language. Can you speak two sentences in Japanese? No, I can't speak. But can you speak two sentences in English? Of course, my name is Kashish Malik. I study 11th class or 12th class, whatever it is. I'm not doing that, I'm doing something else. So, this is a privilege now that we cannot understand even a single word of Japanese. I cannot actually. But in English, we can understand it at least. So, it is easy to understand English and now speak also as compared to other languages which we don't know. So, this is a privilege for us. Now, how to use this privilege, that is important, because understanding English and speaking English are two different factors and two different techniques work for them. If you already can understand English, then speaking English can become a bit easy. If you can understand English, then listening, believe me guys, listening can be the best way to speak English, because you are able to understand it, and whenever someone is speaking in front of you, you will take it and then you will observe that how a person speaks his or her opinions or conversation, and then the second step is speak it. What you need to do is start from single words. If you are a really beginner, like you are starting from the zero, then change your mindset into English. What happens is that we just think in Hindi first, translate it in English, and then we speak. And this whole thing takes much time. And in this much time, we get so much flummoxed and we could not speak English or we can't speak English. So, what you need to do is think directly in English, and for that, I am telling you 4 steps for a beginner or different levels. So, if you are a zero level, for like me, I was before 3 or 4 months. So if you are at zero level, what you need to do is observe your environment. Whatever things are put in, whatever, sorry, the third form is put. Whatever things are put in your environment, see them and directly think in English that what is it. So, for example, this is the chair where my phone is put. So this is chair, not kursi. In my daily life also, I never say it kursi, and I think most of you would also not. If you are doing, do not say it kursi, say it chair. Fan, table, comb, face, eye. In this way, you need to change your whole vocab into English. What will happen by it? And don't say this is tough for you. It is not tough. It is the easiest step of this language. And it is going to help you a lot. What I did was this. Now, when you will train your mind to directly say things in English, it will understand that okay, there is no need to directly think in Hindi, then translate it, think in English automatically. It will get trained for that. If you can do this very easily, then switch to sentences. What you need to do is see an object in your environment and make a sentence about that. For example, if you see a chair, then you can say my phone is put on chair. If you see a fan, so you can say I am switching on the fan. If you are watching a wall, there is pink paint on the wall. In this way, make sentences. If you can make sentences like on daily basis, you need to try to make sentences, but directly in English. मैं is not मैं. मैं is I. Speak I. Okay? Directly in English. If you have come till there, like if you are a beginner, then start from words. If you can do this with words easily, then start with sentences. If you can do this also, then take a topic and start speaking about that. Yes, that is very natural. You will make mistakes, like I am making these mistakes while making video. And let me tell you guys, I have not written any script, so please, that is my natural English, and that's why I'm making these many mistakes. So ignore my mistakes. If you can't, then write down in comments. I will improve them. Now you need to take a topic and speak about that like I'm speaking. Make mistakes. There is no problem. Who is saying you to be perfect in the starting? See, this step by step progress is literally good. You can do it very easily. So do this. If you can speak on topic, that will be the main point. That will be your victory. Because speaking on a random topic makes your mind so much sharp while taking information into English directly. And if you can do this, then try to speak with ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT will give you so much good feedback. It will improve you. When you can do with that also, then try to speak with humans like your friends, your teachers. And if you can't do that with them, then tell me. I will start a series to speak with you. It's very easy. Just speak to learn. See, I always say in each video I say so that you can understand, which I understood very late. That to speak English, there is not a hub. There is no jadi booty that I will give you and you will eat and you will start speaking. For learning English speaking, you will have to speak it. Like for driving, we need to go on Activa and start it and then we will learn. By watching video, we will not learn driving. In the same way, by watching video, we will not learn English speaking, but we can we can understand a bit, we can get a bit idea that how to do that. But for learning English speaking, you will have to open your mouth and speak. And in this way, I'm not becoming sarcastic, that is truth. Sorry if you mind it, but you will have to open your mouth and speak English, then only you will be able to speak it. Thank you so much. It was all about, I hope you would have liked this video. If you liked, then you can subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.